So this is Idiotbot. He's a Discord bot on Discord that can send Discord messages, Discord attachments, and Discord embeds. Idiotbot can also join voice chat. He can play all sorts of random audio clips, such as these. Just look at all of these people who approve of Idiotbot. Add Idiotbot to your server today, and I promise you, you'll might have fun. 94 Central and any other users affiliated with Idiotbot are not responsible for any of the following possible accidents while using Idiotbot.
Sanity lost, sense of humor ruined, ammonia syndrome, server deletion, moderating team gone insane, Mockman's channel being ruined, a sudden addiction to avocados, the urge to smash a rock over someone's pool, or the sudden necessity to hydrate yourself to the peak.
Add it right now.